start. This much is reflected that YD order dated 7/4/2015, as an interim measure, Dr. Suren Singh, respondent number 5, was appointed as officiating principal of the institution for 3 months under the provision of Statute 12.20 of First Statute of the University stop. After completion of 3 months period, the respondent number 4 again passed an order on 6/7/2015, by which the respondent number 5 was appointed as officiating principal of the institution till the joining of regular selected principal by the High Education Commission stop. Against the said order dated 6/7/2015, the petitioner filed detailed objection before respondent number 2 on 15/7/2015, but no decision was taken stop. Thereafter, the petitioner approached this court by means of writ petition number 46287 of 2015, and the said writ petition was finally disposed of. YD order dated 18/8/2015 directing the Vice Chancellor of the University to decide the claim of the petitioner stop. Thereafter, the petitioner had proceeded to file detailed objection on 27/8/2015, which was rejected by the Vice Chancellor. YD impugned order dated 28/9/2015 stop. The claim of the petitioner has been set out precisely on the ground that Statute 12.20 of the First Statute of Bundelkhand University, Jhansi, provides that when the office of the principal of an affiliated college falls vacant, the management committee may appoint any teacher of officiate as principal for a period of 3 months, or until the appointment of a regular principal, whichever is earlier stop. If on or before the expiry of the period of the 3 months, any regular principal is not appointed, or such a principal does not assume office, the senior most teacher in the college shall officiate as principal of such college until a regular principal is appointed stop. Once Dr. U.P. Singh, who was at serial number 1, attained the age of superannuation on 6/4/2015, then the petitioner, being senior most teacher in the institution, was liable to be given the charge of officiating principal of the institution in question, but ignoring the said seniority of the petitioner, the charge has been handed over to Dr. R.D. Mohan, who is at serial number 4 in the seniority stopper. Sri Ashok Khare, senior advocate assisted by Sri Umanath Pandey, appearing for the petitioner, submits that in pursuance of the directives issued by this court dated 18/8/2015 in writ A number 46287 of 2015, the Vice Chancellor of the University has rejected the claim of the petitioner on 28/9/2015, precisely on the ground that according to amended provisions of Statute 11/3/2003 of Bundelkhand University Act 1997, PhD qualification is necessary for the post of principal, while the petitioner does not possess the PhD degree stop. This much has been also been observed that after passing the resolution for amendment in 2013, the provision of Statute 12.20 of First Statute of the University has been automatically deemed to be amended for the purpose of qualification for the post of officiating principal stop. He submits that the order impugned cannot sustain, precisely on the ground that to the best knowledge of the petitioner till now, no amendment has been made in the Bundelkhand University as required under section 50 of UP State University Act 1973 stopper. On the other hand, Sri Neeraj Tiwari, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2, submitted that as per Statute of Bundelkhand University, Jhansi and UGC regulation, there are 4 minimum requirements with regard to appointment of principal stop.